Hey, Bobby. Hey, what's up, Sal? Did you hear about Tommy? No, what happened to Tommy? He got shot. He got shot? What are you talking about? He got shot. Is he dead? He got shot in the head. Is he dead? Oh. He's dead. So who do you think did it? I'm starting to believe it's an inside job. An inside job, boss? Yeah, I think it's an inside job. So who do you think did it? I'm starting to believe it's drivelab. Drivelab? Yeah, drivelab. All right, so how you doing? How you doing? You doing all right? Yeah, okay, good. Well, inside job. It's a company by the name of drivelab. I've done a couple reviews. I've done their hot lap car wash, which is basically a touchless car wash, very high on the pH scale. Cleans off most of the dirt off the car, and basically all you have to do is use this one wiper and you can clean off the car and then you're off to the races. So literally. drivelab came out with an interior detail called Inside Job. This inside job infiltrates, cleans, and coats your interior with gentle precision and leaves you with a matte finish. So I wanted to try this out. Just disclaimer, he did send this out to me for free to try it out, try it on my vehicle. I used it on the infotainment center first, and I'm going to put a little quick video of me cleaning off the infotainment center. It did leave a nice slick finish. The one good thing about this product is that it's very slick to the touch. I used a specific interior cloth, you know, so that I don't mar any black surfaces, piano surfaces that are very, like, you know, they're very scratch prone. But this did a really good job. I mean, it did leave a little bit of a residual, but you got to kind of clean it with another. You almost need two towels, right? One to like apply, and you don't need a lot, right? A little goes a long way. That's the one thing I learned about this product. And you need another one, a drier one, to kind of just clean it off and just get it to a point where there's no residual or anything like that. It does leave a little bit of a UV protectant. There's no ceramic coatings, no coatings whatsoever with this interior cleaner or detailer, but it does leave a little bit of a sheen, just very tiny, right? So it's a little slick to the touch, but it's not bad at all. I mean, it left a very matte finish on the dashboard area. I used it on the center console. It worked really well on the center console. I had a little bit of a black piano, you know, plastic around the gear selector, and then it was a matte black everywhere else. And it did a really, really good job on that matte black. It cleaned it up nice. Then I used it on the steering wheel. I had some salt. We had some like snow in the last couple days. I had some salt on my gloves and got it on the steering wheel. Cleaned that off really easily. So I think this is exactly what he says it is. It's basically an interior detailer. It does have a little bit of a cleaning capability to it, but it's if you wanted to like clean your interior a little bit more aggressively, I would use something a little bit different. Maybe an interior cleaner from like what's that German company? Geist, I think they're called. But anyway, they have some really good interior cleaners and detailers and all that kind of stuff. This is like literally just an interior detailer where you want to go in, your car is essentially pretty clean to begin with, and you just want to go in and just spray it down, wipe it down, and then you're done. It's got a nice scent to it. I'm trying to like place it. It's a fresh scent. I don't know if it's like a citrusy type scent, but that's kind of the vibes I get. I don't know if it's the orange color of the liquid that's in here that gives me that vibe, but that's what I get out of it. So it's clean, it's fresh, it does a good job of detailing the interior. It leaves you with a matte finish with a little bit of a silky smooth touch to it. He says you can do Alcantara with it and suede. And I'm going to let him explain to you, because he does it so eloquently. I think it's best for him to explain it to you how to do that with this interior detail. And let's go right to the video.
If you're washing or detailing your car at home in your driveway, you probably want things to go pretty quickly. And essentially your goal is just to get back on the road and drive and enjoy it, but have the car feel like it's brand new. So for an interior detailer or cleaner, what we want is to get rid of dirt, get rid of grime, get rid of odors, don't add any strong smells, and don't add a new look to the interior, but refresh it back to how it was from the factory. So Inside Job does that perfectly. We're able to get about 60 days of durability and UV protection out of it to protect your leather, your Alcantara. It's safe on all surfaces, it's easy to apply, the smell is really refreshing, and it doesn't linger. Really with this product, it's really easy to just spray on and wipe off. So I wanted to do a demo on Alcantara since that's a little more specific. So what you want to do is you want to get a wet or damp towel and really just scrub the microfiber across the Alcantara and pick up a lot of that dirt to begin with. Then you want to do a light layer or a light spray of Inside Job on the towel that you're using, on the clean side of the damp towel, and then apply that to the Alcantara. I don't usually spray it on directly, but like with my Porsche, I did the entire Alcantara interior with this, and it had no bad effect. What you will notice with this is there's a nice, like, soft, slick feel to the surface. You can't see it. Again, this is a matte finish. That doesn't mean it adds a matte finish to anything. It just means that it doesn't affect the shine or the matte of any surface. So you might want to do a little test spot and see how it feels on your hands, on the steering wheel and things like that, and see if you want that on your Alcantara first. Otherwise, hope you enjoy the product and enjoy the drive.
All right, so Interior Detail by Griot Burke and drivelab. So I like the product. I think he did a really good job with this. I'm sure there's going to be revisions to it to make it even a little bit better. I would like this to flash off a little bit faster. That would be my only recommendation, but and I guess a little bit more alcohol in it would help to do that, but otherwise it does an excellent job. So I'm going to put the link down below. You could use it. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. He just every now and then throws me some product and I'll try it on my channel, but I do recommend it. His hot lap is excellent. The tire dressing is incredible, and the one wiper, just a true fan. So I would buy his kit and pick up the Interior Detailer and you won't be disappointed. This is Talking with Cars.